All right, Gary, let's take a little cruise in a 1981 FJ40 Land Cruiser.
Yeah, this will climb a wall.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah.
These things are really cool, and they didn't change them like for years. I mean, I didn't even know they still made them in the 80s till recently. Yeah, usually you see the ones from the 60s, you know?
The last one I drove was a 66 or something like that, the old one.
That's pretty cool. And then I think a lot of the features look the same too. They didn't really change much. Kind of like Jeeps, they just kept them the same for so many years.
Yeah, it works.
Yeah, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But pretty nice is that they call it Traditional Beige. You see a lot of them in this color. They also made one that was like a dune beige, a little darker. But pretty basic, man. The hardtop comes off if you want, you know, windshield folds down. You see these things all over the world, in Australia and Japan, and they kind of got a little cult following going on now. Some of them get really expensive. But this is pretty much bare bones. No power windows, no radio, but you can put one there if you wanted to.
Yeah, there's nice.
Take your pick.
Radio.
But all the original decals are still on it, and it's the 4.2 liter straight six. It's like a tractor engine. These things are fantastic. They made them in diesel too, 4-cylinder diesels.
Oh yeah, I remember those.
Yep, and those are pretty cool too, but this is the biggest motor you can get for one of these.
Yeah, they're not a speed demon.
Nope, it's just geared for that. This has some kind of an overdrive system. We were aftermarket, we were looking at it. We don't know 100% how it works, but it's all there.
It's like a gear bender or something.
It's called a Ferry Winch. It's a company from Britain, and I looked them up a little bit, got a little research on them, but we can keep looking into that.
Yeah, she drives good, man, just like the old days.
Not bad, huh? Like an old tractor.
Watch out.
Yeah, we're on our way up here to our picture spot, and we'll take a few pictures and some more video. We haven't had one of these in a while. This is pretty cool. It's a Toyota Land Cruiser, FJ40. Super popular trucks. A lot of guys now are modernizing them, putting them Chevy V8s in them, and you know, or LS motors, things like that. But this is a stock one. It's a 4.2 liter, straight six. Got a whopping like 125 horsepower. Nothing to tout about. But you know, real torquey, great for off-roading. I don't know if you got a cabin up in the mountains or a beach house, or I mean, this is the deal right here. These are cool. You can pull the top off. You know, it's got a removable hard top with a nice cage in there for safety. You know, 4-speed manual. This one has an aftermarket overdrive setup. I don't know 100% how it works, and haven't researched it completely yet, but that's kind of cool. I see that they use them on these and also the Land Rovers back in the day. But it's got locking hubs up here, which I believe are factory, ASCO, and it has a Warn winch, big heavy duty one, pull you out of the way if you get stuck somewhere. Nice paint, rust free. The floors and everything are beautiful. These are kind of prone to rust, but this is a really solid one. We'll go ahead and show you inside. Like I said earlier, I mean, they stayed the same for, you know, 20 years, so you almost can't even tell what year they are. There's a few things, telltale signs you can see, you know, like the door handles are a little different on the outside, steering wheel's a little different, the seats recline, so a little bit more modern, but really nice. All the dash is really clean, not cut up, no aftermarket goofy gauges or anything cut in. Super nice. There's that cage. Got your little head bumping pads there. Jump seats. Power steering and power disc brakes also. That's something that didn't come until I guess later on in the 70s. So there's a perk to having something built in the 80s. A little safer, a little bit more comfortable. All right, here's the power plant in the Toyota FJ40. Pretty neat little motor. Like I said, a 4.2 liter. That's a pretty big straight six. It's got power steering and power brakes. It's got a looks like a factory electric fan that runs. It cools it off. Hydraulic clutch. Pretty modern for the way the truck looks. Looks like an older style truck. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Chitty chitty bang bang. Pretty simple. Not too much to it. A lot of guys like to go in the water with these things and put a little snorkel on them, have some fun with it. Tried and true, pretty tough 4x4. a good running little Toyota. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us at California Cars. We're open and willing to show everybody around our showroom. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Our phone number is 818-591-1313. If you want to call and ask us any questions, you can ask for me, Rich, or Gary, who's inside the Toyota right there. All right, appreciate you watching. Stay safe.